Hello students, so now we are going to discuss some more questions from past papers for the same topic, functions. It is f of x equals to 1 minus 2x and we are asked to find f of minus 1. So we know that when it comes to only substitution, we are going to substitute minus 5 in this function. So it is 1 minus 2 into minus 5, that is 1 plus 10, that is equal to 11. So f of minus 5 is equal to 11. Similarly, in second part, we need to find a composite function g f of x. We are going to substitute f in g. Okay, so it is going to be g f of x. Remember, order of operation is we are going to substitute f in g. So this is 1 minus 2x is f and we are going to put it here. So that is equal to 3 1 minus 2x minus 2. That makes it 3 minus 6x minus 2. That is equal to 1 minus 6x. Now this is g f of x. Got it? So here is another part. H of x equals to x square minus 5x minus 11. So we need to solve for h of x equals to 0. That means we are going to put x square minus 5x minus 11 is equal to 0. We try to find out a solution for with the help of middle term breaking, but we know that 11 is a prime number, so we cannot find factors of 11 other than 1 and 11, and it's not making 5. We'll have to use quadratic equation, a quadratic formula for this. So in order to find quadratic formula, its a value is 1, its b value is equal to negative 5, its c value is equal to minus 11. So quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let's substitute the values. So it's going to be minus b plus minus under root, it's b square, that means minus 5 square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now it's x equals to 5 plus minus, now let me calculate what it is. It's like 25 plus 44, okay, and divided by whole divided by 2. So that is equal to 5 plus minus under root, it's going to be 69 divided by whole divided by 2. So x is equal to 5 plus minus, now square root of 69 is 8.31. It's 8.31 divided by 2. Now we are going to find it out for 5 plus 8.31 divided by 2, and x equals to 5 minus 8.31 divided by 2. So x equals 5 plus 8.31, it's divided by 2, its answer is 6.655. We can write it as 6.66, and x equals to, the second one is 5 minus 8.31, 8.31 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 1.655. So yes, these are the solutions for this. Have a look. It was h of x is given as x square minus 5x minus 11. We need to solve an equation equal to 0. H of x equals to 0. So x square minus 5x minus 11 equals to 0. We have a, b and c values. You substitute in quadratic formula and solve for values of x. Okay. Here is a new question. Work out the value of x when f of x is equal to 0.5. You know, now in this question, if f of x is given, so this is your f of x, x divided by 4 minus 3, and we have to put it equals to minus 0.5. So it is x by 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 2. 0.5 is 1 by 2, right? Now we take 3 over there, so it is x by 4 equals to 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay, so it is going to be 2. We are going to make denominators equal. It's going to be 6 minus 1 x divided by 4. So x by 4 is equal to, it's 5 by 2. So x by 4 equals to 5 by 2. you're going to cross multiply x is equal to 4 into 5 by 2. So that is equal to 2 to the 4. So x is equal to 5 to the 10. Value of x is x equals to 10. Similarly, the second part says we need to find g inverse of x. So here is g of x and we are looking for its inverse. So if g of x is equal to 6x minus 7, now I hope you remember what are the steps we need to follow. So first of all, my step number 1 would be let g of x is equal to y. Once you put g of x equals to y, it becomes y is equal to 6x minus 7. Then we have step number 2, that is to make x the subject. We have to make x the subject. So this is x, it's going to be y plus 7 is equal to 6x, and x is equal to y plus 7 divided by 6. And then at the end, x is basically g inverse of y. Remember, this g is a function, and when we take it to the other side, it will be inverse of this function. So it's going to be, we will replace x with this y plus 7 divided by 6. So you're going to replace x with g inverse of y. So g inverse of y is equal to y plus 7 divided by 6, right? And now we have to replace every y with x. So it is g inverse of x is equal to x plus 7 divided by 6. This is your inverse. So in this question we had to find inverse of this g of x. So this is how we are going to find inverse of this function, right? Let's solve another question. By the way, I want you people to stop my video right now and try to solve this question, and then I'm going to solve it and you could match your answers with it. So I hope you have done it now. Here you go. F of x equals to 5 minus 3x is given. We need to find f of 6. So f of 6 is simply equals to 5 minus 3 times 6. So that is equal to 5 minus 18. That is equal to negative 13. So f of x is going to be negative 13. Now it's given that f of x is 5 minus 3x. Wait, we have f of x is equal to 5 minus 3x. We need to find f of x plus 2. Now we're going to replace x with x plus 2 in this equation. So f of x plus 2 is equal to 5 minus 3 bracket, it's x plus 2. That is equal to 5 minus 3x minus 6. You're going to multiply negative 3 with 2, positive 2, it will make it minus 6. So it's minus 1 minus 3x, f of x plus 2. And the last part we're looking for is find the value of f of x. Okay, so wait, we're looking for f of x. It's a composite function. We're going to put function back in the function. Have a look. So f of x is done. F of x is done in this way. Sorry. Yes. So f of x is done in this way, that you are going to substitute value of f in the function f, that is equal to f of x. So it's 5 minus 3x. So this x will be replaced with the function 5 minus 3x, right? This is a composite function. So 5 minus 15 plus 9x, that makes it 9x minus 10. So this is f of x, right? Okay, so here is another question in which we are going to solve for it's given that f of x equals to x minus 1 cube and g of x is equal to x minus 1 square. Okay, and h of x is 3x plus 1. Work out f of minus 1. So what we need to do is we're going to replace f of x. We're going to replace x in f of x with minus 1. So it is going to be just a minute. So it is given that f of x is x minus 1, so we're going to replace it with minus 1. So f of minus 1 is going to be minus 1 cube. That makes it minus 2 cube, that is equal to minus 8. So f of minus 1 is equal to minus 8. Second part, they want us to find h of x plus 1. So you can see h of x is 3x plus, this is h of x, that is equal to 3x plus 1. Now when we need h of x plus 1, we mean that we are going to replace x with x plus 1. So that is equal to 3x plus 3 plus 1. This will make it h of x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 4. So 3x plus 4 is your answer for this. Now for f of x is given as x minus 1 cube, x minus 1 cube, and we need to find f of x plus 2. So it is done in this way: f of x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 minus 1. So we're going to replace this x with x plus 2, okay, cube, that is equal to x plus 1 cube. Now in this part, if they want us to find the simplest form, you can open it as well, and the easiest way of doing this is either you know the formula of cube. If you don't, you can use this concept. Okay, so that is equal to x plus 1 into a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then you can x cube plus 2x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1, and then we have x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. That is your final answer, f of x plus 2, right?